For my science project, I tested the bacteria on my hand and my dog's mouth. I wanted to figure out which one had more bacteria on it. My hypothesis was that my hand had more bacteria. Here's how I did the experiment. I filled a Petri dish with neutral agar, then I swabbed my hand and my dog's mouth. Then I wiped the swabs into the Petri dish. Finally, I waited for the bacteria to grow. Here's a picture of my dog's mouth and my hand at day 5. My hand at day 5. And this is my dog's mouth at day 5. Dog's mouth at day 10. And here's my hand at day 10. This is my dog's mouth at day 15. And this is my hand at day 15. As you can see, my hand had more bacteria than my dog's mouth.
My STEAM fair project is how to make a flower a new color.
I created and programmed a 20-second hand washing timer to help people during the COVID-19 Safer at Home order. This is a Circuit Playground Express. It uses block code and JavaScript to operate. When it's quiet and there is no loud sounds, it continues to circle in this rainbow pattern. But when a loud sound is made, like clapping my hands, the timer starts and the person starts washing their hands. At first, all the LEDs turn red. After 1 second, the first one turns yellow. After another second, it turns green. Once all the LEDs turn green in the process, we know that the time is up and it reminds us by making power down sound. Then it goes back to the rainbow pattern. And it waits for a new person to wash their hands.
My name is Aviraj Ghosh. My STEAM fair project is called Chromatography of Leaves and Petals. Chromatography is the process of separating pigment from the leaves or petals. I ran the experiment on leaves and different colored petals. I learned that the science behind my project was called capillary action. Using this process, the pigment travels through the gaps in the coffee filter fiber, which lets it travel upward. Thanks.
Hello, my name is Alan, and this is my science project. Will the chemicals change the color of the flames when I put one of them in? And my hypothesis is it will successfully change the color when I put in the chemicals. And my procedure is put one chemical on the cookie sheet, which we're going to use, put on the alcohol, which is hand sanitizer. Okay.
Really red.
Yep.
Alright, it's lit.
This is green, right? Yeah, green. And this is copper sulfate. Oh. Certain chemicals make fire if you burn them with some kind of alcohol or something, that it makes the fire turn colors. Alright, what colors do you see? Red, yellow, green, blue, and purple.
This is a paper bag, a cone, a vinegar with some food coloring, and baking soda. Whoa! So cool. We mixed baking soda and vinegar together, and the carbon dioxide exploded like a volcano. Thank you. My ingredients are a full baggie of water and 3 pencils. The sharp pencil quickly through the bag. This happens because when the sharp ends of the pencils pierces through the baggie, it actually forms a seal so that no water can spill out. Thank you.
I used bottle caps, a DC motor, rubber bands, popsicle sticks, straws, and glue. I learned about traction and how things can pull and push and friction.
I'm gonna make a Diet Coke explosion.
Okay. Woo! What'd you learn from this, Owen?
Once the carbon dioxide gets released and you put in the Mentos, it starts to bubble up and it explodes.